Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best steel post is probably one of the most versatile and durable options for any construction or fencing project, offering unparalleled strength and longevity that traditional materials simply can't match. Whether you're building a sturdy fence for your backyard, reinforcing a garden bed, or undertaking a larger agricultural endeavor, a well-chosen steel post provides a reliable foundation that stands the test of time against harsh weather and constant use. Its inherent resistance to rot, insects, and corrosion makes it a low-maintenance, high-performance choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, ensuring your projects remain secure and aesthetically pleasing for years to come. Number 5. SmartSign U-Channel Sign Post, Medium Weight 8-Foot Pack of 3. Introducing the SmartSign U-Channel Sign Post, a durable and reliable solution for your signage needs. This medium-weight post is designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. It comes with pre-drilled holes, spaced 1 inch apart, making it simple to mount your signs. The 3 8-inch diameter holes are conveniently located on the top 30 inches of the post. You can easily mount multiple signs, up to 12 by 18 inches, onto this post. The thoughtful design ensures a secure and aligned placement for all your signage. This medium-weight post weighs just 1.12 pounds per foot, offering a good balance of strength and manageability. It's built to withstand various outdoor conditions. Installation is a breeze thanks to its tapered side, allowing for quick setup. This pack conveniently includes 3 posts to cover your multiple signage requirements. Featuring a baked-on green enamel coating, it's protected against rust and enhanced for outdoor longevity. This ensures your post maintains its integrity and appearance over time. What we like. This post comes with pre-drilled holes, making it incredibly easy to mount multiple signs. If you need to display several signs in a specific arrangement, this is the perfect choice for you. Its durable coating also ensures it will last outdoors. What people say. The steel post is sturdy and well-made. It was easy to install and felt very secure once in place. The design is simple yet effective, providing excellent support. Number 4. Classy Caps 4x4 Imperial Solar Post Cap, Black. Introducing the Classy Caps Imperial Solar Post Cap. It's designed to add a touch of elegance to your deck or fence, providing beautiful light automatically every night. Enjoy up to 10 hours of illumination thanks to its high-performance solar light. It automatically turns on at dusk and stays lit throughout the night. You can easily choose your preferred ambience with 2 light modes, warm or bright white. A simple switch allows you to select between warm, off, or cool settings. Crafted from durable cast aluminum with a powder-coated finish, this cap is built to withstand the elements. It includes a long-life rechargeable battery for sustained performance. Designed to fit both 3.5x 3.5 and 4x4 posts, with an included adapter for a perfect fit. Installation is quick and easy, making it a simple DIY project. What we like. Enjoy automatic illumination every night with this solar-powered post cap. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to add ambience and safety to your deck or fence, this is an excellent option. The choice between warm and cool light modes allows you to customize the look. What people say. The steel post is sturdy and holds the fence securely. Easy to install and adjust the tension of the wire. The galvanized coating prevents rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term durability. Number 3. Forever Products Amelia White Vinyl Mailbox Post System. Introducing the Amelia White Vinyl Mailbox Post System from Forever Products. This complete package includes a durable black steel mailbox and a personalized street address plaque for effortless setup. Crafted from heavy-duty, commercial-grade vinyl, this post is designed for longevity. It requires no painting or maintenance and is guaranteed not to yellow over time. Add a touch of elegance to your home's exterior with this stylish system. Its tasteful decorative features are sure to boost your property's aesthetic value. The system comes complete with a standard-sized white mailbox. It's made from rust-resistant galvanized steel and is approved by the postmaster. Setting up your new mailbox post is a breeze. It can be directly buried in concrete, and all necessary hardware is included for a do-it-yourself assembly. This product is proudly manufactured in the USA and includes a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This mailbox post system offers a sturdy and durable solution that requires no painting or maintenance. If you want a stylish and long-lasting mailbox post that enhances your home's curb appeal without the upkeep, this is the one to consider. It even comes with a rust-resistant mailbox. What people say. The steel post is very sturdy and easy to install. It holds up well against strong winds and heavy loads. The design is sleek and modern, complementing the fence perfectly. Number 2. YITAMOTOR Safety Bollard Post. Introducing the YITAMOTOR Safety Bollard Post, designed for robust protection. Its sturdy construction ensures reliable safety in various environments. Crafted from high-quality Q235 steel, this bollard is built to last. It offers strong and durable performance, providing effective long-term security. Through optimized design and advanced processing, it delivers superior protection. You can count on it for dependable safety and security. Ideal for warehouses and parking areas, this bollard stands at 42 inches tall with a 4.5-inch diameter. It effectively safeguards your space. Featuring a bright yellow finish for high visibility, this safety post ensures it's easily seen. It comes in a convenient 2-pack for comprehensive coverage. What we like. Built with high-quality steel, this bollard post provides robust and reliable protection. If you need to secure a parking area or protect a specific zone in a warehouse, its sturdy construction and high visibility make it ideal. It's designed for long-term, effective defense. What people say. The steel post is very sturdy and easy to install. It holds the fence wire securely and looks great in the yard. Number 1. Ellis Manufacturing Light-Duty Steel Construction Jack Post. Introducing the Ellis Manufacturing Light-Duty Steel Construction Jack Post. It's designed for a variety of leveling and support tasks in both residential and commercial settings. This adjustable screw jack is perfect for leveling floors and beams. Its patented thrust bearings make adjustments more efficient and reliable for any project. With a safe load capacity of up to 3,000 pounds, this jack provides secure support for temporary or long-term needs. It's built with high-strength steel for maximum durability. Experience powerful lifting with our patented lifting nut assembly. It increases lifting capacity up to 10 times for precise height adjustments, supporting floors, ceilings, and beams with ease. Constructed from high-strength steel with a thick top plate, this jack is built to last. Its robust design ensures superior load-bearing durability for demanding jobs. For decades, Ellis Manufacturing has been a leader in structural support. Trust our leveling screw jacks for long-lasting performance and reliability in your projects. What we like. This adjustable jack post offers powerful lifting capabilities with a high safe load capacity. If you're dealing with leveling floors, supporting beams, or undertaking heavy-duty construction projects, its patented design ensures precise adjustments and reliable support. It's built for demanding tasks. What people say. The steel post is very sturdy and holds up well in windy conditions. Easy to install and adjust, making fence building a breeze. The galvanized coating prevents rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term durability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.